Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So friends, my name is Anand and I will share how I found this iPhone filter game, and all of you tell me how many days you have been making videos and how many years it has been since you made videos. Let's not waste time. Let me tell you which app I do it. After that, I will share the name of that filter and I search and I show you. Before I get start, please subscribe. Friends, app name is Snapchat. Let's open the app. Let's find filter name. First we will scroll. After that we will search. Type 435. Okay, only 435. Then you will see you have found it the filter. Let's see. So friends, be with me. I will share every filter name you can search, and you can also create videos from that filter, and you can also be famous. Okay friends, bye bye.